You're about to see something really cool. Here's the fixture out of the box. And you can see it has something that looks like a light bulb in the end of it. There it goes. All right. Now check this out. I'm going blind. Yep. Now that is really cool. Well, something inside shorted out. Okay, when you're working up here with something that's overhead, and it's sharp, you want to make sure that you have a certain degree of eye protection. Now, I usually have a pair of glasses on, which helps, but in this case it might not be enough. So I'm also bald, so you're going to need a hat, right? So I'm now a lot safer around a piece of sheet metal which has very sharp corners. Wow, you know, you could hurt yourself with that. So let's see if I can yank that off the ceiling. Hey there, this is my wife's tool tower. She didn't like the way I stored her tools, so I built her this. It has power, she has access to her batteries, she has access to her power tools, and she can garden without any trouble whatsoever. There's even a first aid kit here. Hey, check out my other YouTube channels. Rider of the Storm, NC700X, and anything else I have out there. Have a great day.